What's good, y'all? CT signing in, and this is a tutorial on how to do a 4-way split screen. I feel like a lot of people might be under the false impression that to make great quality videos you need an expensive movie making software like Adobe, when in reality you have iMovie on your computer for free. And I will be creating the theme song for my channel. I've done a lot of movies or a lot of my videos through iMovie, and it works great. So to get started, you're going to go to iMovie and create a movie, and you're going to start with your background. It could be any color you want to, but I'll choose black. And the song I'm using is 6.3 seconds, so I'm going to make this 6.3. And then I'm going to get the clip. So you're going to need 4 clips, obviously. I have one of them already here. And let's see, 6.3, there we go. So I'm going to put this clip here. Bring it just enough, and then I'm going to turn the volume down because we have a song playing. And then you're going to go to this all the way at the left corner. Oh, we're already there. And you're going to go to picture in picture, and then you're going to try to take up 1/4 of the screen, and it will give you these these yellow lines, and you're going to follow these. Alright, there we go, just a little bit. That's perfect. And what I'm trying to do is make it so that, well, first let's get the song. So you're going to find your song. I'm doing Walk in the Park by Jack Harlow, and then you're going to go to YouTube to MP3 converter. This is the one I use. You're going to copy and paste the link. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again, but you're just going to press convert, save it wherever you want to, and then you're going to import it into your movie. So I'm going to go here to Jack Harlow, Walk in the Park, and I want only the first 6 seconds. I'm going to start a little bit later into the song, actually. So right here, right about here. So we're going to split the song, and then we're going to bring this over here. And as soon as he says park, that's where I want to divide it, and I want to make it black and white because I'm going to add color for the other 3 clips. They're all going to come in with color and then fade out in black and white. And then I don't mind it being a little bit shorter, the song length, or a little bit longer, because then we can just cut it that way. But we're gonna do this, and this is what we have so far. Ain't shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's off the charts. Alright. And then last time we had a problem where it was turning black and white, so I'm gonna try to make it a little bit longer. There we go, I think that's pretty good. So then you're gonna save this as intro, and we can just call it intro number 1. And then you're gonna save that to your desktop or wherever you want to. I like desktop, and it will take a couple seconds to load right here. And then you're gonna make a second movie, and then within that second movie, we can get rid of these. Within that second movie, you're gonna import the first one. So you're gonna go to intro number 1 and go right here, and then you're gonna get your second video clip. So I'm doing one of Dennis Schroeder and Isaiah Thomas from my Forgotten NBA Beast video. So this clip was right about here. Alright. So we're going to turn the volume down first, and then we're going to shorten it So that way you see this only. And then we're gonna shorten this. That's a lot. So we're gonna shorten this. And then, how y'all doing tonight? Or whenever you're watching this, daytime, nighttime. But yeah, okay. So we're gonna shorten this right before the words appear. Okay. And this clip is, what do we have, 4.8 seconds? That's fine. And then as soon as this turns black and white, we're gonna fade in this one. So right about here. So that's perfect. So then we're gonna go to picture in picture again, and then we're gonna take up about 1/4 of the screen as well. As you can see, that little yellow line is your best friend, so make sure to use it. So this is what we have so far. And as soon as he says heart, that's when I want it to turn black and white. So it goes with the beat. So clip filter, we're gonna do black and white as well. And this is what we have so far. Alright. And we can shorten it just a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna save this as intro number 2. And then again, we're gonna save that to our desktop. Wait for it to finish loading. There we go. And we can delete these again. I just like to get rid of them, even though it's pretty insignificant. It distracts me. I have ADHD. So we're gonna go to intro number 2, pull that down, and then we're gonna get our third video clip, which is, let me think. Oh, the one of Dwayne Haskins and Chase Young. Oh, Dwayne Haskins. I did a whole 3-part series on him. Okay. So as soon as this one turns black and white, that's when I want to bring this one in. There we go. Perfect. And we're going to do our picture in picture again. So this video, it was vertical, so we're going to have to crop it first. So we're going to crop it like this. Works out perfectly. And then wait for this line, as you can see right here. Turn the volume down on it, and let's wait. I got sauce in the stuff. I got sauce in the stuff. Okay. And then we're gonna do black and white for the rest of this. I'll probably have to start the song off earlier than I wanted to, but this is just a rough draft to kind of give you guys the general gist of it all. And then it's going to stop at the same time as everything else does. There we go. So that's our third part. So we're going to call it intro number 3. And then we're going to go back here again and share project. Intro number 3. Get over here. Get over here. Scorpion voice. Okay, and then now we got intro number 3, and then we are going to add our 4th clip, which is John Wall and Gortat arguing, and that should be about like a 2-second clip probably. Okay. Yep. Turn the sound down. Picture in picture. Well, this one needs to be cropped, I remember when I tried doing this before, which is good because the scoreboard's gone. So we're going to do picture in picture again and increase size. This is pretty good. And we can do black and white again. Alright, so this is what we got so far.
Ain't shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's off the charts.
Alright. So now we have intro number 4. And like usual, we're going to save it to our desktop. Intro number 4. And then we're going to make our final intro where we add the title, or I add the title. And you guys can do it whatever you want to for yours. So intro 4, bring that here. And all we're going to do is right as soon as this turns gray, we're going to add in our thing. Our title, which is just going to be we'll let it run for a couple more seconds. Let's see, and we will do Know It All Sports, and we'll do the orange font because I like orange and it matches my profile pic. All right, so this is what we have so far.
Ain't shit to me, it's a walk in the park. Y'all too smart, can't talk from the heart. I got sauce and it's off the charts.
And there you go. So we're gonna save that, and we can call it intro final copy. And that right there is how I made the intro to my video. And then if I want to make a separate video or whatever video I want to add it to, all I have to do now is just go look for this. Did I save it to my desktop? Okay. So first you're going to save the final copy to your desktop. And then anytime you want to make a video, you just add that little intro in there. Or if you're making a video of any kind where you want a 4-way split screen, you can do this. So I hope this worked. I hope I could save someone some money instead of going out and paying $100 or however much it is for Adobe. And thank you to this channel for teaching me how to do this. I wanted to make an updated video because this was 2017 iMovie. So hopefully this helps, and enjoy. This is CT, and I'm signing out.